Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at this scooter that was sent out to me to review from Caroma. This is a very lightweight scooter. This is going to be great for adults for, simple commuting. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox it and see exactly what comes in the box. And then I'll show you guys and talk to you guys about some of the features and also some of the possible limitations of this little scooter. All right, guys, as you can see here, this is very well packaged. You saw the foam. Let's go ahead and get this guy out of this plastic. All right, guys, you only have one zip tie that you have to remove to free everything up. So we're just going to pop that off. More foam. All right, so let's take a look at what comes in the box. Obviously, you get a few tools. These are a few Allen keys that come with it, and that's going to be for tightening bolts in case you do need that. You also receive your charging cable as well as your power brick for charging the scooter. And you're going to receive both of your handles. These just are going to clip on right here with this little bolt. And you get two of those. You have a little button or knob right here that you depress. By pushing this in, it's going to allow you to raise and lower the scooter. And you also have a kickstand off to the side. All right, so to put these handles on, I'm going to show you guys how to install the handles on the scooter as well. All right, guys, so you have your two handles, and all you have to do is line them up, press in that little tab, locks in place. You're going to do the same on the opposite side. And now it's locked in place. And you have your brake right here. You have your light controls up here as well as your speed for charging it. You'll be able to plug it in right here to charge the scooter. A kill switch right here, which you have to turn on first, and then turn the scooter on. And this will turn on your display. You can raise or lower the miles per hour on this guy by just pressing these two little arrows right here. And a long press will also turn on the included light. So there's a light right here at the very front of the scooter. Okay, guys, your motor is housed inside of this front wheel, and that's where all of your power is going to come from. These tires are solid. You have a really nice all metal construction on this guy. Nice padding here for your feet. This kind of has almost like a sandpaper type feel to it. So it's going to give you really good traction when you're riding this. And again, like I was showing you guys earlier, whenever you're ready to fold this up, you're just going to press this little button in right here. Fold this guy down. You're going to be able to carry it, no problems whatsoever. All right, guys, on the back of the scooter, you're going to find your rear brake. Now, this is pressure control, so you're going to actually use your foot to enable the brake. It does have a little reflector here for oncoming traffic and stuff. Traffic from behind you. But by just depressing this with your foot, you will be able to engage the back brake for this scooter as well. All right, guys, let's go ahead and wrap this up before we take this out for its first spin. Just a little bit more information about the Caroma electric scooter. This has a 350-watt motor, again, that's going to be housed here in this front tire. The average range of this is about 15 to 20 miles. Maximum speed is going to be 20 miles per hour, and the maximum weight that is suitable for this little scooter is 220 pounds. Okay. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get this guy ready, take it outside and take it for its first test drive. Down the road for its first maiden test drive. So hopefully the audio and everything is coming in well, and you guys will get to see what it's like to actually utilize one of these little electric scooters. All right, guys, hopefully this little video has been helpful to help you guys make a decision if this little scooter is exactly what you're looking for. All right, guys, I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.